first define remission. Remission of VAT. Now, remission of tax means the waiver or cancellation of a tax liability. It means waiver or cancellation. Waiver or cancellation of a tax liability. Waiver refers to, remission refers to waiver or cancellation of a tax liability that would otherwise be due, or it may refer to the waiver of VAT on certain imports or supplies from the outset, and is often granted before the tax is actually paid. Remission is granted before the tax is actually paid. It is granted before the VAT tax is actually paid. Before VAT is actually paid. Or we can say it negates the need for payment. A remission negates the need for payment because the liability has been cancelled. The taxpayer is no longer required to meet this liability. It negates the need for payment. And it's typically applied for specific purposes or for certain categories of goods or services. You understand? Yes.